Nak here. Welcome to my trading world. 19 trades today and I ended at zero. Not a typo. Portfolio sitting at $100,843. Day profit and loss exactly flat. That number is not failure. It's something more interesting and I'm going to show you why. Before I break down every position, I want you to hold one question. There was a single trade today that came closest to triggering my maximum risk threshold. I'll show you the exact number that would have stopped me. And it's not what you think. Stay with me. Today, I scanned over 500 stocks in my hourly cycle. Signals fired across the board, momentum scores, RSI readings, EMA crossovers, but only specific setups cleared all my filters. 6 tickers made the cut: RDW, CIFR, IREL, AAL, POET, MARA. 6 battlegrounds. Let's start with AAL American Airlines. I shorted 427 shares at $14.19, covered at $13.90. That's a $123 gain on a single momentum reversal signal. Clean entry, clean exit. But then I went back in, and that's where it gets complicated. After covering AAL, I re-entered twice more, bought 132 shares at $14.01, and earlier caught at 213 shares sell at $13.90. Multiple legs on the same ticker in one session. That's not noise, that's my system finding repeated momentum confirmation signals and acting on each one independently. MARA was the highest volume play today. I bought 630 shares at $14.24, then sold 420 at $14.40, and 210 at $14.24. The first tranche locked again. The second exited flat. That's dynamic position scaling in real time, Kelly fraction sizing adjusting as the trade developed. Now CIFR and IREN, these hurt. Bought CIFR at $26.12, sold at $25.83. That's a $66 loss. As a bought at $68.09, sold at $67.35, a $65 loss. Both stopped out by my ATR based stops. No override, no hesitation. The system said exit, I exited. POET Technologies 432 shares shorted at $14.35, covered at $13.92. That's a $185 cross gain. One of the strongest momentum scores I saw all session. Volume surge hit 1.7x average, well above my 1.5x threshold. When volume confirms momentum, I trust the signal. An RDW. I bought 281 shares at $21.40, sold at $20.92. That's a $134 loss. Momentum signal looked valid at entry, but the move reversed hard. ATR stop triggered. Maximum 2% risk rule kept this from becoming something worse. That rule saved me today. So here's the number I planted earlier, the one that would have stopped me cold. The IREN position at $68.09 entry moved against me $0.74 per share on 88 shares. Unrealized at peak exposure. Negative 2.4% of that position's value. And I had a hard stop at 2. It was close. End of session. 0 open positions. $100,843. Equity flat on the day. Gross gains and gross losses nearly cancelled. That's not a broken system. That's a system doing exactly what risk management is designed to do. Protect capital on choppy days so momentum days compound. 5 days in, still building. Subscribe to NacArtha. I trade every day. You should know what I know. Follow the algorithm. See you tomorrow.